Hi friend, how are you? Have you ever wondered how you can compare your data between 2 years but having the different categories? Either numbers, it can be percentages, it can be actual values. Here it comes. The graph you're looking at is a dynamic graph comparing 2 years, of which you can select the years if your data has more than 2 years. So let's say we are comparing 2014 and 2017. You see the graph is dynamic. So at the moment, we are looking at the actual values. It is comparing, let's say, item 2, 2014 was 35 and 2017 was 65. If I wanted this in percentage, it is just a click. You see, it changes that the change was a plus 86%. But if I wanted the difference between the 2 years, still it is a click. You just click and it changes that there was a plus of 30 between your cells. So that is it, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, Subtech Online. The video is dropping soon. Thank you. Bye.